Westhampton Locksmith Twinfork Locksmith serving Westhampton, New York, 11,978. John resides in Westhampton, and finds himself locked out of his house. John is unsure of what locksmiths serve the area, quickly and cheap. With a simple search, John finds Twinfork Locksmith, and with one simple call a technician is now just minutes away. 1. Quick response. 2. Best prices around. 3. Friendly technician. John is amazed. Within 20 minutes he is back in his home and can resume his daily activities. Visit our Westhampton website at https://twinforkslocksmith.com/Westhampton Locksmith.